Good evening, traders. This is Matthew GS. Hope everyone's doing well. In today's video, it's going to be a follow-on to my previous video, which was the launch of Golden Pulse 62, my brand new bot. We're going to be taking a look at some backtesting results, how to backtest, and just some common questions that I've been getting from people since I've launched the bot. So let's dive straight into this. First of all, thank you to everyone that has downloaded the bot and is well away with doing the trial version. They're currently backtesting, and things are looking good and getting some positive feedback. But I just wanted to show what to do if you're brand new and you're getting a bit stuck of how to actually backtest, right? So when you're in cTrader, once you've double clicked on the cbot, right, the demo trial version, you should see this appear here, Golden Pulse 62 demo. Obviously mine isn't demo, it's the real live version. Then what you want to do, see this little cloud icon here, that means that that bot will run in the cloud, right? And the great thing about cTrader and running it in the cloud is you don't need a dedicated server. You can shut down your laptop, right? And it's going to place the trades for you free of charge. Absolute game changer, and you save a lot of money in this doing so. However, on a demo account, you can only do this for 7 days. After 7 days, you literally, all you have to do is press this start cbot again, and then it will run for another 7 days. And you can do that forever, just a constant 7 days and another 7 days, right? Then you've got the local version. That means that runs locally, i.e. it just runs on your laptop once the laptop is open. It can't be shut down. So those are the two options. If you wanted to add another instance, they call it, you just go add instance. Then you obviously choose in cloud or locally for back testing, and what we want to test now, we want to do it locally. So you choose your account. So obviously it's demo. You choose the instrument like gold or US30 or USD, and then the period is just the time period. So then you get to choose 5 minutes, an hour, 4 hours, whatever you want, and then you go add instance, and then that will add the instance here, right? So this is it already added. You literally then go to, or then you want to open the cbot set file. So you just press this button here, and then you want to, let's go back here. You want to upload this file here called cbot set file. That will then give you my default settings for gold. Okay, it'll just give you the settings that I've been getting really good results from. Now, pay attention to the risk per trade. This is the only thing you need to change. Okay, right? And it all depends your size of your account, right? If you've got $1,000 or you've got 20 grand or you've got 50 grand, you need to choose the correct risk per trade, right? So someone with like 100 grand in their account, their risk has to be lower. However, with someone with £1,000 in their account, or dollars if you're over in the United States, shout out to the USA guys, then you would have to up the risk. Okay, I mean, you can go for lower risk, but you need to up the risk because your account is going to grow a lot faster. Once you've chosen your risk and you're happy with that, you literally go to back testing, right? You press the cog icon, you choose your starting balance, so 1,000. Commission you can leave as 30. Commission type, I just leave it as default. And data, you want to choose the accurate. Okay, don't forget the opening prices. You want to choose accurate. Then you can just click off that, and then you want to choose the date period. So, for example, we want to start from the 1st of the 1st 25, and then I've done a back test earlier, which I'm going to show you up until today's date, the 4th of June 2026. If you tick this box here, visual mode, it will show you literally every single trade taking place step by step. So you get to see like, okay, this trade opened here, this trade exited here, you know, all that good stuff. Then you can do that. That will take a long time. If you untick that, then it will speed through the back test very fast within minutes, right? And that's it. That's how you back test. Using the cloud version is how we forward test. So this is just testing in real time, real market conditions, how the bot is performing in real life, basically, right? So you've got back testing and forward testing, right? Now, what I have done is I've done some back testing results for you. I know a lot of people don't have time to do this stuff, so I have just done some back testing and uploaded the reports to the same link I shared. I'll share it again. So in Golden Pulse 62, you can see there's a folder now called backtesting. If you just click into this folder, I've done some backtesting reports for you, right? So a £500, and I've just upped the risk 10% per trade. That one was, I believe it's this one here actually. Yeah, so this is the £500. I put the risk at 10% per trade, right? And the period was the 1st of the 1st, 25 to the 31st of December 25. At the end, you would have made £39,973 net profit with an ending balance of 40,473. Now, the great thing about these backtesting reports is you literally get everything, right? You get the ROI. It shows you the equity curve, right? We come down here, it will show you all your entries. It will show you your wins and the losses. Now, one thing to notice about when it's trading Forex is you'll notice that the losses are more than the winners. Now, the reason for that is because the risk to reward is high, right? And if you've got a higher risk to reward, that means that you lose more, but the wins overtake the losses. So you're in profit at the end, right? And then you get the trade statistics. Okay, you get all the data that you need, winning deals. You get the drawdown. If we keep going down here, it will show you the settings, and as you can see, this is where I put the 10% risk per trade, and then it will show you every single position that was opened, and then you can just go tick here, and it will show you more. So it will show you the pips that were made, the net profit, if it was a loss, the opening time, the closing time, absolutely everything is in these reports. Report 2 is £1,000 starting balance with 5% risk, which is this one here. So this produced at the end £20,017. Okay, so that was just a year starting with £1,000 at, I think it was 5%. Yeah, 5% risk. Again, you can see the equity curve. Everything is in here. And then we're going to go to the third report, which is £5,000 starting balance with a 6% risk per trade. At the end, you have £151,468, which is some crazy results. And again, you've got all the data in there. You can take a look at all of this in your own time. Next report is £10,000 with 3% risk, which is this report here. That had an ending balance of £76,892, again, which is a very, very good results. And you can have a look through that. And the last report that I've done was £50,000 starting balance with 2% risk. However, this date I've done from the 1st of the 1st, 25 to today's date, the 4th of June, 26, and the end balance with that one was £307,082, which was a net profit of £257,082. Lots of money. Obviously, you got a very large starting capital, but I wanted to just show you that. I mean, look at this equity curve. Like, that is beautiful. Just constantly going higher and higher, right until today's date. Okay, and I just wanted to show you the power of this bot, that it is a set and forget. And I did get one question actually. Is it fully? The one question actually was, is it self-managed, or is someone doing this for me? Right. So you purchase the bot, you basically press play and you let it do its thing. You don't have to do anything else after that. However, the only thing you need to do is, when your account balance grows, you are really supposed to change your risk, right? And the when you do that is not that often, as in, like, it's not going to be a week and then you have to change your risk. Like, you're going to have to allow time for your account to grow. However, if you're starting with £1,000 and say that you're risking 10% per trade, when you get to £5,000, just as an example, you don't want to keep it at 10% risk per trade. You would have to reduce that risk from 10% to, say, 5% risk per trade, right? That's just a simple, sensible way the beast traders do this, and it's the way that you should do this as well. So some of these reports, unfortunately, you can't change the risk halfway through the report. Therefore, it is stuck at, for example, this one here, the £500. It has been stuck at 10% risk for the whole duration of the report. You can't stop the report halfway through and go, oh, I want to change the risk from 10 to 5%, because we're now at £5,000 or whatever. Unfortunately you can't do that. So yes, the reports would change, but they would still be in the positive, right? And the great thing about the reports and the bot in itself is that's all you have to do. Like, you just have to change the risk. And so I would call it 95%. You don't have to do anything. And yes, there is a 5% that you do. And yes, you would have to manage it all yourself. However, the great thing about the bot, and if you choose to purchase the bot in the future, is you get to keep 100% of your profits. Okay, when you connect to someone else's bot online, they normally charge a higher fee of like 30%. Investors, I know you can't even get these kind of results, like with the pensions and investors that do the stock market. You only get, say, 5 to 10% if you're lucky a year, right? But then they still take 5 to 10% fee off of that. Whereas with the bot, you get to keep 100% of the profits, and then there's no fees. There's only the one-time fee if you go to purchase it. So have a look through the backtesting reports. If you wanted any more reports, like, Matt, can you give me a report from for 2 years, the last 2 years, with a £3,000 starting balance, and I want you to do 3% risk per trade, right? I'm happy to do that. Just email me, leave me a comment, and let me know. We can go from there. But yeah, I'm super excited for this bot. It's taken a long time to make, and it is my best bot so far. One last thing before you go. I mean, I've read a lot of books in the trading world. I've shown them before in previous videos, and all of them say the same thing, right? Risk 1 to 2% of your account per trade. However, there is a 7-figure trader that I have been following for a while. I bought his course and I've learned a lot from him. And he says basically that is all complete rubbish. You don't want to do that. I mean, I'd rather listen to a 7-figure trader than a textbook, because I don't even know these guys in a textbook. And basically in the video, in his course, he's given the actual figures that you should be risking per your account balance, and you will not find them in any textbook. Trust me, because I've read a lot, and you will not see this anywhere online. So what I've done is I've put together a little cheat sheet, and it's literally 1 or 2 pages. It's nothing crazy, and it basically just shows you every single account balance. For example, £500, £1,000, 5 grand, 10 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand. Just all these different balances, and I give you the actual risk per trade as per what a 7-figure trader has said, and I put it into 1 or 2 pager. It's yours completely free of charge. Just email me at matthewgsuk1@gmail.com, and I'll send that straight over to you. And that's been a real game changer. I mean, I've been using it for these backtesting reports. That's why I've got some crazy reports from this bot, basically using his advice on the actual risk per trade that you should be doing. So yeah, yours completely free. Send me an email, we can go from there. I'm super excited for everyone that's been downloading this bot and testing it out, and I'll be posting some more videos on it soon. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.